yo, 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 yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S? Coming here with another reaction. Ooh. And today, guys, we're back with random reactions, guys. Random reactions. That is back. That is what we're back with, and we are about to jump in the comment section. You know how this works already. I go in the comment section of a video that I post already, and see what people are saying to react to, pick a random one of that, and then we jump in it. So make we go in another section there, in the comment section. So make we see. So this the video we're in again is Byron Messia 90s reaction. Because that have a lot of requests in it. It's only fair to go back in there again and see and pick a random one. Okay, here we have another Byron. Also much Byron in the comment section. Byron Vent, Byron 12 a.m. Freestyle, Byron again. Alright, so this full of Byron. So let's go. This the comment section are full of Byron. So let's go to Byron 12 a.m. The one. So let me get that, and then we can search it here. Alright. Byron Messia. Okay, we're just gonna do it like that. See it there. See it come up, you know. All right, so this is what we're gonna be reacting to. So let's go on the other screen and get it. Let's go. Let's go. Remember, guys, don't forget to post your the song that you want me to react to in the comment section, and I may well pick it. All right, let's go. Let's go.
Make money and fuck be a man wife.
Oh, what?
Beats.
12 a.m. freestyle. Let's go.
Hey, baby, I've been missing you a lot. Hoping I have a next man lifting up a frock.
At them type of vibes at 12 a.m. you know say yo, you know what you should have do right now, you should have chill with a girl, but you don't know say yo. You're there reminisce, especially if you're born a bigger spliff your whole meds and you don't know say yeah, consume too juice and thing. What you there? Man said me giving you my last, then me giving you a lot. Yeah, you don't want to kill me? Forward. There. Spinny blood, claw black, no? Ready?
Hoping I have a next man lifting up a frock. And me giving you my last, and me giving you a lot. And I say feel me pain, so me slip it on the rock. Say you say me have a girl, tell you say no get a touch. You don't want to kill me, tell them say the spinning block. Them I hate me that a fuck. I did up it and no mats.
Bumbleclad! Yo, Byron, what is that? No joke, Byron, what dog? Byron, bad dog, no joke. Enough.
Beats.
Random reactions, let's go! Ready?
Hey, baby, I've been missing you a lot.
Yeah.
Hoping I have a next man lifting up a frock. And me giving you my last, and me giving you a lot. And I say feel me pain, so me slip it on the rock. Say you say me have a girl, tell you say no get a touch. You don't want to kill me, tell them say the spinning block. Them I hate me that a fuck. I did up it and no mats. Have me switch pan the Glock, have me dick in a she clutch.
I'm a switch from my Glock, where the Glock chip. Everything I race out, like when I let's go to shit in a crab place. Everything I race out. Yeah. Chip on the Glock and me dick in her crotch. Oh, no that.
I did up it and no mats. Have me switch pan the Glock, have me dick in a she clutch. Have me phone pan here playing mode. Can't touch you without the AK.
phone up on airplane mode. Yeah, I can't touch the road without the AK load. Cause yeah, I don't want nobody call me. So yeah, phone up on airplane. I don't want nobody call me and beg it out and buy it out. I know what I go do. I go bust it right now. Him never said that, by the way. It doesn't mean that. I just mean that. I'm sorry.
Remember when me used to bang his him clothes? Now I 20 pair of Nike Air Force.
Remember when man used to wear the same clothes every day? Like my friend used to tell me, say, dog, I'm gonna take a picture in other clothes there, brother. Yeah, like every day I wear it. Yes, at the time I was supposed to wear it because that is the only thing I have. I'm not put my body on the counter. I'm not make no boy bug me out for nothing. You know? So I'm supposed to wear it until better come. No, I have 20 pair of Air Force. 20. And none of them not cheesy. No, them not cheesy. No.
You so bang his him clothes. Now I 20 pair of Nike Air Force. Hard course, I me grab a rain coat. I lose my granny from she 90 years old. So
Granny get a long living. Big up grandma. Grandma get a long 90. That's a living, bro.
I lose my granny from she 90 years old. So make me know if you want to stay close. Cause my heart still broke. So my parking doors. And nobody know how me feel. And nobody know what me mean. I'm a dark release. And the drugs are kicking. So my mind still at this. And me still have the
yo, me feel apart a while ago, dog.
still broke, so my parking doors. And nobody know how me feel. And nobody know what me mean. I'm a dark release, and the drugs are kicking. So my mind still at this, and me still have the rifle a beat. And nobody know how me feel. And nobody know what me mean. Know me brother gone, but he left with a niece. Me and she uncle, so me have to make sure she eat.
Clot. Yo, Byron sick in brother. The youth bad in a dog. The youth bad, brother. Oh, the first me I found across them song. Why wasn't I paying much more attention to what work Byron is putting out? TJ, thanks, yeah, man. TJ, thanks, because if I never you, brother, me wouldn't dare so do some of them reaction. I can't me tell you the truth because me I tell you say people usually tell me, but because I never know who Byron is, me just switch them over. You see me, cause I just tell me stay. I'm sorry, Byron fans. Sorry, Byron, I'm sorry.
So my mind still at this, and me still have the rifle a beat. And nobody know how me feel. And nobody know what me mean. Know me brother gone, but he left with a niece. Me and she uncle, so me have to make sure she eat.
Man say, yo, my brother gone, but here him left him daughter, which is my niece. So me and the uncle, so I have to make sure she still a eat. I have to make sure she good. Yeah, come. Me not order to my brother. I'm supposed to do that for my brother. Cause you don't know a family. Bad.
Know me brother gone, but him left with a niece. Me and she uncle, so me have to make sure she eat. Hey baby, me missing you a lot. Hoping I have a next man lifting up a frack. And me giving you my last, and me giving you a lot. And I say feel me pain, so me slip it on the rocks.
NSC for heal me pain, brother. NSC for heal me pain. NSC does no more some of them bad feeling when I got through, bro. NSC for heal me pain. Some of just sipping it on the rocks. You know, this NSC and ice.
Say me have a girl, tell us they no get a touch. You them want to kill me, tell them say they spin the block. Them I hate me that a fuck. I did top it and no max. Have me switch pan the Glock. Have me dick in a she clutch. Have me phone pan here playing mode. Can't touch you without the AK. Remember when me used to bang his him clothes? Now I 20 pair of Nike Air Force. Hard course, I me grab a rain coat. I lose my granny from she 90 years old. So make me know if you want to stay close. Cause my heart still broke. So my parking doors. And nobody know how me feel. And nobody know what me mean. I'm a dark release. And the drugs are kicking. So my mind still at this. And me still have the rifle a beat. And nobody know how me feel. And nobody know what me mean. Know me brother gone, but he left with a niece. Me and she uncle, so me have to make sure she eat.
Clot, Byron, man. Yo. Feel this, bro. Feel this. Me feel this. Bumbleclot. Random reactions, wanna say? Yo, me feel that. No joke. Byron bad, you fuck. Byron bad, you fuck. No joke, bro. Yo, Byron sick, dog. Random reactions, wanna say? Jesus Christ. Oh, me just a forward cross this. Yo. Flow, clarity, melody, rhythm choice. The whole thing is a vibe, bro. The whole thing is a vibe. Talented youth. Very fucking talented youth. Big up St. Kitts. Big up Trini. Big up the whole fucking Caribbean, dog. Yeah, we have some talented artists in the Caribbean, bro. No joke. We just want the artists them to just concentrate on the music and love some of the badness, bro. We just want the artists them to concentrate on some of the music and love some of the badness to the gangster them, bro. You can't be an artist and not be a gangster at the same time. I don't believe in that, bro. You can sing gangster song, yes, but you can't live the life, bro. Get up on stage, man, we kill you. So artists like these, not saying Byron mix up and nothing, you know, but I'm just putting it out there. Like artists, brother, in the Caribbean, on love some of the madness. We see Cayman get shot with it. You know, love some of the fuckery, dog. You know, love some of the fuckery, bro. And just go and concentrate on the music, bro. If that means you don't have to move out of the area, move, dog. Like, move, bro. Go relocate, bro. That easy. Anyway, random reactions. You know what to do. Leave some songs in the comment section where you want me to react to. And I will definitely do my best to get through. As you can see, I actually come back to this comment section again and pick a random one. So if me get a lot of comments in the comment section, I will be going back to the comment section, reading more comments and picking a song from that to react to. So this is the second one. Big up yourself, Byron. Big up the fans them. Big up everybody who subscribed. This is how I'm gonna leave down there. If you enjoy that one and want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you are new, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.